Payday Bridge App Review. Payday Bridge links you with lenders, not a bank. Apply an app, compare offers, get up to $900, April the 3rd. 99.35%, repay 90 days 24 months. Pros: quick requests, no upfront interest or credit check to match, mobile-friendly design, and transparent loan terms before accepting. Users like the speed and simplicity. Sign up is short, no endless forms, and offers come fast when matched with a lender. Cons: it's only a middleman, no guarantee of approval. You may get emails, texts from multiple lenders after submitting info. Loan rates and terms vary by lender. Approval time depends on lender policies, so experiences differ from person to person. Verdict: great for quick loan comparisons and emergency funds. Works best if you're okay with online matching services. Thank you for watching.